Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the new Milwaukee M18 fuel half-inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring, or as they are commonly called, hog ring. Hog rings allow for quick and easy socket changes, which is a big plus when you're working on projects that require different socket sizes. Pin detent systems, on the other hand, may require a bit more effort to change sockets. Milwaukee claims that this is the most power-dense impact wrench in its class, which should maximize productivity through faster removal speeds. The Power State brushless motor delivers up to 1,100 foot-pounds of torque and 1,600 foot-pounds of torque when paired with the M18 red lithium forged batteries. The compact size of 7.6 inches in length gives users greater access in tight spaces. It has a battery isolation system which secures the battery connection and controls vibration transmitted to the pack. It has a 4-mode drive control which offers a range of preset RPM, that's revolutions per minute, and IPM, that's impacts per minute, levels, selectable from a single button on the tool. By selecting Mode 4, Auto Shut-Off Control applies to more than 50 foot-pounds of torque for hand-tight fastening applications to prevent over-tightening. Mode 4 also features bolt removal control that delivers users full torque output, then decreases RPMs once the bolt is loosened to prevent fastener drops. Mode 1 will give you 0 to 700 RPM. Mode 2 will give you 0 to 1300 RPM. Mode 3 will give you 0 to 2000 RPM. And then Mode 4 in forward will give you 0 to 900 RPM. And then in reverse, it will give you 0 to 2000 RPM. And then at the end, of course, it slows down. And your maximum RPM, once it slows down, is 750 RPM. Here's a demonstration of Mode 4. You see it takes the lug nut right off, but it's slowed down right at the end. That's Mode 4. Here does another one. It's slowed down right at the end. And now when you put them back on, all you got to do is tighten them up a little bit by hand. Okay, we're still on Mode 4. And I'm going to take and put it in forward. Just a little click there. And it's in forward. Okay, now there's 50 foot-pounds and 50 foot-pounds. So now we're going to grab our torque wrench. About 76 foot-pounds is what is needed for these lug nuts. And here we go, 76 right there. We'll go to the second lug nut and we'll do 76 foot-pounds. And here we go, one more little pass. And there it is, 70, that was about 77, but that'll be okay. Here's the same task in Mode 3. It's really fast. They really come off fast. But see, I dropped one. It's nice to have a little more control with the Mode 4. Now I'll put it in Mode 4 to get the lug nuts tightened to 50 foot-pounds. Then I'll properly torque the lug nuts. It has 3 LED lights to illuminate your work. This kit comes with M18 XC 5.0 resistant batteries which provide increased protection against oils, greases, and solvents. It weighs 5.9 pounds without a battery, and it is 9.35 inches tall. My impressions of this tool are that I'm impressed with how powerful it is. I'm impressed with the practicality of Mode 4, and I like how versatile it is with the 4 modes. The kit, like I showed you in the video, is $499, and the bare tool is $299. I'll put links for both in my video description. Also, I'll put a link for the Milwaukee Lifetime Guaranteed 29-piece metric and SAE impact socket set. They have stamped and ink-filled markings. They are forged from high torque impact steel. They have non-slip hex geometry and dual holes for easier attachment. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.